Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on the scalping strategies and then you will find here one video called the best Forex scalping strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So actually I have missed here a good entry to buy the gold. I was actually waiting for the gold to reach the previous resistance at 1836.91, exactly right here. But as you can see, sadly the gold has reversed exactly right just a little bit before reaching our buy level. And we have missed a good entry, and the market has reversed to about 47 pips. Sadly, we didn't take it, so therefore we have to find something else right now. So let me now go to the pound NZD, and let's see what we can do next with the pound NZD. Actually, so far nothing can be done. The good entry for the pound NZD is gonna be placed exactly right here. That's gonna be a good level exactly right here, and again right there. So currently the market is actually in the middle, so therefore there is actually not good setup to be placed right now. So let me just delete the entire lines and let's continue searching for a good and decent setup. Pound CAD has nothing good. By the way, I forgot to tell you, as you can see, sadly most of the signals which I have sent yesterday actually has failed. Of course, this was due to the news, the ISM PMI news, which actually has changed the direction of the market. And I believe I have warned everyone in the ending of the midweek analysis video by saying to be careful from these news. The pound USD actually has been failing in the beginning, sadly. AUD USD was actually running in a very good profit to about 62 pips of profit before falling back to 7 pips only. USD CAD was actually running in a very good profit to about 60 pips, I would say, and currently running in 15 pips. USD JPY has went straight to the take profit level but without triggering our buy level. USD CHF actually running in loss, and the gold is the only pair which is running in a very good profit so far with about 72 pips of profit. So again, the ISM PMI news has changed the direction of the market, and I hope you guys have followed my advice to close your entire positions before the news were out. So right now I'm just searching the market. So let me try to find something good before we place the first trade. Therefore, allow me now please to pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I find a decent setup. Alright, so actually I'm looking at the gold right now, and this is something very interesting, and I need you guys to pay attention. First of all, I'm going to reduce the lot size to be 0.80, because when we are trading the gold, we can't really go to a big lot size, especially when I'm trading with a small account such as $2,000. Now pay attention. If I go to the 30-minute time frame, we can here identify that we're having actually a fake support level, or a fake breakout, exactly right here. So this is a fake breakout. This is right here the real level of the support, which means that the gold is actually respecting the real level of the support right after creating the false breakout. So the best level to start buying the gold again is gonna be placed exactly right here at 1842.28, exactly where the red line is on. And I'm just waiting for the market to fall a little bit more and touches the same level. And yes, look at the left. Pay attention that the market has actually been respecting exactly that same level of a support, which means placing the buy order right now is actually ideal. Yes, exactly right here. Yes, perfect, fantastic. First thing at all is to place our stop losses to be exactly right here. Let me just make it a little bit more, 270, okay. And the take profit level has to be placed exactly right here at the nearest resistance to our entry. So let me just again explain to you the reason behind this trade. So what we are looking for here is the false breakouts and the real support levels. So right here we had a false breakout, Meanwhile, right here was exactly the real level of the support. And the right way to draw our line here to have a more accurate entry is to draw our line here, this line, to draw it in a way that the line is actually touching all of the wicks on each and every single candle. So we can see the first candle right here, it's touched. The red line also touching this candle. The red line also touching this candle, and this candle, and this candle, and this candle as well. So meaning this is exactly the level where we can expect from the gold to reverse at. Right after creating the false breakout right now, the same level is going to be respected exactly. And we can see that the gold has already fallen all the way right here and reversed just like few, let me just check when exactly, how, I mean, less than a pip actually has reversed and started to reverse already. That's why I had to place the buy order right now without any delays. And now we can expect from the gold to continue the rise right on that level. Another way to confirm our entry, which I, by the way, did not check at all. I'm just checking it now front of you. And I hope I'm not going to be mistaken. Is to use the magic of trend lines, which is basically to find any random lower low and draw your support trend line just like that from this lower low to this higher low. And just bring this line right here. Exactly just like that. Check this out. It actually worked. It's perfect. We had right here the resistance trend line, which actually right after the bullish breakout has supposed to become a new support trend line, but instead we had a false breakout, which means that right now is the right moment for this previous resistance trend line to become a new support trend line. That's fantastic. That's actually a perfection in my opinion. So anyway, the trade running so far normally, I think it's going well, and I believe eventually it's gonna continue the rise. So therefore, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And finally, the gold is going in a very good profit. I'm very happy. And let me just close it right now with 132 pips of profit, $130 of profit. This is fantastic. $132 of profit. Actually, this is a good amount in my country. In Dubai, actually, this is about like 500 dirhams. Those who live in the UAE, they know that this is a very good amount to make in short time, in one day so far. And actually, I'm telling you something, I'm very happy and proud that the market has reversed exactly as I have predicted. That is actually, my friends, the good analysis and the experience in the market. I'm very happy. We have made $132 from this trade, which is really fantastic. I'm very happy about it. I'm very happy. And actually, I'm thinking, no way. There is no way to stop. We have to continue. The market right now is really active, and it's a good opportunity to find a decent and good setup. No, not good one. So I'm just searching here and there. Actually, I'm thinking to short the pound USD, but I'm a bit late because the pound USD has indeed reached right here a strong key support level. So the pound USD actually has a potential for a reversal right now exactly on that support. So it has to fall to another about 6 pips, I would say. About 6 pips before we can place the buy order. But however, I feel it's gonna be a little bit risky, but I think it's obviously gonna be a good trade. Let's move to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the pound USD is really approaching this previous support level right here, and we can see that the same level of the support has actually been respected, and the market has created right here the support number 1. So it's not a bad idea to place another buy order on the support number 2. However, we are just hoping for the market to make a reversal, a pullback just upon the pressure from that support to give me few pips. All I'm seeking is about like 15-20 pips only. Check this out. Look at that. Even a small reversal from the pound USD can give us about 20 pips. So I just need the pound USD to bounce just from here to this level as maximum only, and this is gonna provide me with 25 pips of profit, which is really great. So I think I'm gonna wait for the pound USD to fall more before we place the buy order. Anyway, I'm very happy about the profits that we have made. $132 is actually more than what I'm seeking usually in my scalping sessions. Usually I close my scalping trades with about $80 to, I would say, about $100. So leaving it running for 130 was actually a good trade. Anyway, allow me now please to pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once the pound USD fall a little bit more to the level of the support at 1.24527, and we will place together the buy order. And another thing important I have to mention right here, if I scroll more to the left, and as we can see, this was the previous support level, and pay attention, we had right here the real level of the support, and the false breakout, which means placing the buy order exactly at 1.24527 is gonna be ideal, and I think this is gonna be the best level to place the buy order. So until then, allow me now please to pause the recording, and I'll be back to you shortly. And we are back to the gold because the pound USD is actually has reversed, and it might take some time. And right now I'm back on the gold with the 1 minute time frame only. And of course I will explain to you later what I'm doing, but I need to catch this setup. I'm gonna reduce the lot size to be 0.80 again. Alright, so I need to tell you quickly what I'm doing right here. Hopefully I can catch it. So of course, here's my channel on YouTube, and in order to understand what exactly I'm going to do right now, please click on playlist and go to this section right here. Then from these videos right here, select Forex. Learn this amazing and simple strategy to scalp gold on 1 minute candles. It's gonna explain to you exactly the reason why did I zoom out on the 1 minute time frame. Zooming out like that is really important because actually I don't want to see the price action. For the 1 minute candles, when we are scalping the gold on the 1 minute, all I'm caring for is the support and resistance levels. I don't want to see any price actions because they mean nothing. So as you can see, maybe I'm late, the gold has reversed about 5 pips, but I still believe it's important to place my trade right here. Let me just zoom in just to show it to you because it might not be clear when I zoom out. So right here on the 1 minute time frame, we can see the broken resistance right here and right here as well. And pay attention that it was previously a support zone as well. So meaning what I'm planning to do actually is simply like that. This is the support zone exactly just like that. And I'm going to place the buy order exactly right on that level once the market actually enters that level of a previous support zone, previous resistance zone, sorry. And if I check right here, we have here a resistance trend line, just like that, exactly just like that. So pay attention that we have right here the resistance trend line, which has, let me just show it to you, we have the resistance trend line. Oh my god, it reached the level. I'm going to place the buy order right now. Perfect, I didn't miss it. Perfect. Oh nice. Okay, we can actually have risk only $150 on this trade, and meanwhile the take profit level is gonna be 170 at the nearest resistance to our entry. Fantastic, I'm very happy about it. Let me just explain to you again what happened right here. So the market has created right here a resistance trend line and another resistance trend line with the bullish breakout candle, and right now we can expect from the market to create here a new supported trend line, and hence the market is actually gonna continue the rise. Now pay attention that on the bigger time frames, such right here on the 4-hour time frame, the market actually is on a bullish movement, and we can see that the gold right now is actually facing this previous support zone. That was the reason we had to place the first trade. That's the reason on the 1 minute candle I actually have placed the trade right there. We can see it going against my direction. Let me just again draw the resistance trend line. Yes, fantastic, no problem at all. It's all pointing to the same direction, and most likely it's gonna be a profitable trade. Oh, wait a minute, I'm on the, let me go back here. Yeah, this is the one I was on. Okay, everything is going well, I believe. So far we are running in $12 of loss, which is normal. Let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And as you can see, my friends, we are running in $90 of profit. 104, 102. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. I closed it in a profit. Fantastic. I'm very happy. I'm very happy about the profits. I know, guys, it's a little. I know you guys aiming usually thousands, but that's me. That's how I trade. I'm very happy for making my daily living from trading Forex. So far in this session, we have made $230 of profit, which is, I believe, equivalent to about, I would say about 900 dirhams in my country currency, which is really very nice and amazing for a profit of one day. That's actually good income. And actually, I will need to stop trading right now. It's almost 8 p.m. right here in Dubai, and I need to do other things. Sadly, I won't be able to do more trades right now, but check this out. Leaving the trade on the right time has actually secured my profits, because as we can see, the gold right now is falling back. So I actually have exited my trade right on the nearest resistance to my entry. That's the real power of my strategy. The power of, to understand when exactly you should exit your trade, how to kill the greediness. If you are so greedy and aiming some more pips, you might actually end up in loss. But however, I know exactly when to exit my trade, and that's the reason, thankfully, I have been successful in this field so far. So again, my friends, 15 minutes video, I know it's very short, but I did my best to show you some of my scalping sessions. And also, I'm very happy to say that our premium group on Telegram is doing very well today. We had actually so many signals have hit the take profit level. Meanwhile, the NZD USD has been closed in break even, and I believe the guys who are using the copier today or the auto trade system are satisfied by today. We admit that the results of yesterday for Monday and Tuesday were not really good. Maybe it wasn't satisfied for the members. Again, the problem was the market itself, my friends, because on Monday the banks in the United States were actually on holiday for the observing of the Memorial Day, and Tuesday the market was really slow and not active. But today, thankfully we have made a good comeback, and we have ended today the day for the members in a very good profit. I believe they are satisfied with the experience so far. So again, I will see you in another live trading video, hopefully by tomorrow or Friday. But until then, I hope you guys have learned a few more things about the trading the gold, and hopefully it's gonna inspire most of you to be able to open good trades on the gold. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.